Good morning, morning, morning. Is a good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to style our turban scarf in 5 different ways. So stay tuned and learn how to easily and quickly style your gele. Oh, this is not gele, your turban scarf in 5 easy ways. So number 1, this is easy peasy. You see? Fold it to almost half. Can you see it? And just bring it and make a knot. Can you see my knot? Make another knot. Can you see it? Make the 3rd knot. So what are we doing? Well, we have to be stylish with our gele, right? We just don't want to style a boring gele. And then you see this one, just bring it all over your head. We want to be stylish. We are stylish, lady. And at the back, just tuck it in. I just want this, you see? And for this next one too, make it cover a little bit and bring it all the way to the back, same way that you did, and just tuck it in. Can you see? Easy peasy. Don't you like this? You don't have to rush. In less than 2 minutes, you can just quickly make this. Look how stylish it is. Look. That's giving stylish vibe. So let's go to the second one.